Hello everybody. Now we will take the first lesson, which is non-negative integer powers in R. You have previously learned the integer powers in the set of rational numbers, which is half times half times half equals half to the power 3. Half repeated 3 times, we can write half power 3. Negative 2 over 3 repeated 4 times, we can say negative 2 over 3 all power 4. The rule says that if A belongs to R, N belongs to Z plus, Z positive, then A bar N equals A times A times A, where A is repeated as a factor of N times. Like root 2 repeated 5 times, root 2 bar 5 equals 4 root 2. Number 2, negative root 2 repeated 4 times, we can say negative root 2 all bar 4, which is equal 4. The results become positive because the power is even. Where the power is even, the negative is cancelled. Note that if A belongs to R star, then A bar 0 equals 1. For example, root 7 bar 0 equals 1. And negative 1 over root 11 all bar 0 equals 1. Rules of non-negative integer powers. First rule, if A belongs to R star, M and N are two non-negative integer numbers, then A bar M times A bar N equals A bar M plus N. For example, root 3 bar 2 times root 3 bar 4 equals root 3 bar 2 plus 4, which is root 3 bar 6 equals 27. We add the power in the multiplication. Second, if A belongs to R star and M and N are two non-negative integer numbers, M more than or equal N, then A bar M divide A bar N equals A bar M minus N. From the previous rule, we find that root 5 bar 7 divide root 5 bar 3 equals root 5 bar 7 minus 3, which is root 5 bar 4 equals 25. Root 5 is the same base, so we subtract the power. Third rule, if A and B belongs to R star, N is a non-negative integer numbers. Then AB all bar N equals A bar N times B bar N. We can distribute the power. For example, root 2 times root 3 bar 2 equals root 2 bar 2 times root 3 bar 2. Root 2 bar 2 equals 2 and root 3 bar 2 equals 3, so 2 times 3 equals 6. The fourth rule, if AB belongs to R star, then A over B all bar N equals A bar N over B bar N, where N is a non-negative integer, where B not equal 0, A not equal 0. Complete. Root 3 over root 5 all bar 4. We can distribute the power for the numerator and the denominator. Root 3 bar 4 over root 5 bar 4. Root 3 bar 4 equals 3 bar 2 and root 5 bar 4 equals 5 bar 2, which is equal 9 over 25. The fifth rule, if A, B belongs to R star, M, N are two non-negative integers, then A bar M all bar N equals A bar M N. For example, 2 bar 2 all bar 3, which is 2 bar 2 repeated 3 times. So we can write 2 bar 2 times 2 bar 2 times 2 bar 2, and the base is the same, so we add the power. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, so 2 bar 6. For example, simplify each of the following to the simplest form. Number 1, root 2 times root 2 bar 2 times root 2 bar 3. Root 2 is the same base, so we add the power. Equals root 2 bar 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is root 2 bar 6 equals 8. Number 2, root 2 bar 3 times negative root 2 bar 2 all bar 2. We can say root 2 bar 3 times 2 equals 6. And negative root 2 bar 2 times 2 equals 4. So root 2 bar 6 times negative root 2 bar 4 equals 8 times 4 equals 32. Number 3, root 3 bar 5 times root 3 bar 3 over root 3 bar 4. The base is the same, so we can say root 3 bar 5 plus 3 minus 4, which is root 3 bar 4 minus 9. Equals 9. The second one is negative integer powers in R. We know that 5 bar 3 times 5 bar negative 3 equals 5 bar 3 minus 3, which is 5 bar 0, and any number bar 0 equals 1 except 0. If A belongs to R star, N belongs to Z positive, then A bar negative N equals 1 over A bar N. And vice versa, A bar N equals 1 over A bar negative N. For example, root 3 bar negative 4, we can't leave the power negative. So we can convert the power to the positive by making the multiplicative inverse of the number, which is 1 over root 3 bar 4 equals 1 over 9. The same as 1 over negative root 3 all bar negative 3. We can't leave negative 3 in the power. We convert it to its multiplicative inverse, which is negative root 3 all bar 3 equals negative 3 root 3. Number 1, drill. If x equals 3 and y equals root 2, then find each of the following in the simplest form. Number 1, x bar negative 2 times y bar negative 4. We convert it to its multiplicative inverse, which is 1 over x bar 2 times 1 over y bar 4. 1 over x bar 2 equals 1 over 3 bar 2, which is 1 over 9. And 1 over y bar 4, which is 1 over root 2 bar 4, which is 1 over 4. 1 over 9 times 1 over 4 equals 1 over 36. Number 2, x bar negative 2 times y bar 4 equals all bar negative 2. It will be 1 over x bar negative 4 times y power 4 times negative 2, which is 1 y bar negative 8. 1 over x bar negative 4, which is x bar 4. And x bar 4 equals 3 bar 4, which is 81. And 1 over y bar 8, which is root 2 bar negative 8, which is 1 over root 2 bar 8. 1 over root 2 bar 8 equals 1 over 2 bar 6, which is 1 over 64. So the result is 81 times 1 over 64 equals 81 over 64. Third one, x over y all bar negative 3 equals y over x bar 3. We make the power is positive by taking the multiplicative inverse of the number. Y over x all bar 3 equals root 2 over 3 all bar 3, which is equal to root 2 over 27. We can continue in the next video. Goodbye.